This should never happen again. We must make it very clear. It has never happened in the history of Arunachal Pradesh and it should never be repeated again. So this is going to be our request to the authorities, to the public of Arunachal Pradesh and to the nation and to the international arena. So we must make it very, very clear. Violence in any form is violence. It cannot be tolerated. And taking an official issue and making it a personal issue, I think that's like going down the drain. So again, we cannot entertain that at all. And to be against someone who is one of the most polished, accomplished doctors in the entire history of Arunachal Pradesh is uncalled for. And whatever Sir has done for the interest of TRIMS, for the interest of the public of Arunachal Pradesh, and for the interest of the country. So belittling him in such a way is again very sad on his part. So now today we have all assembled here to show our solidarity, first of all to condemn the incident, second to show our solidarity and support to our beloved and most respected Director Dr. Moji Jini, and also send a message that something which has never occurred in the history of Arunachal Pradesh must never be repeated again, because we are soft corners of society. We are always accessible. So if anyone once is having a grudge against us, they cannot just barge in and do whatever we like. And in that view, keeping in that fact in view, we are also going to ask the government to amend the Arunachal Pradesh Medical Personnel Protection Act, in which we are going to ask and push the government that not only in the hospital premises but even at home or anywhere else, if work related anybody is intimidated, that must be again considered criminal intimidation, and the penalty or the punishment should be higher than what is usually accrued in the normal circumstances. Like for example, anyone who barges into a house, obviously that already has a criminal record, and that already will be expected. The enforcement will take its course accordingly. But if it is related to a treating issue or a hospital issue, and if they come to the house and they intimidate us or maybe somewhere else and even on phone, then we want to push it that the penalty and punishment must be higher than what is usually provided by the law enforcement. So we want that this should be enacted, this should be amended in the Arunachal Pradesh Medical Personnel Protection Act. Thirdly, we also want to tell the government that the issue which has been percolating and disturbing TRIMS for quite some time is not a personal issue. It's an issue related to TRIMS, because it's a land which is situated inside TRIMS. Now, we want to request the government that it should be solved at their level, not at the level of TRIMS. It has gone beyond the ability of TRIMS to control it. So these are the three things that we are going to portray today and send a clear-cut message that violence in any form, especially to doctors, is very, very wrong, but to any other law-abiding citizen, it is absolutely uncalled for. So now, dear students, dear faculties, the media people will be arriving shortly. So we must make a point very clear, and also we also want to make it very clear that we have no personal grudge against anybody. The other thing is, the law will take its own action. We don't have to do anything on it. And we are also very thankful to the swift action of the police team of Naharlagan for whatever actions they have taken. And we are no one to indict or imbibe what has to be done in the name of law. That law will take its own course. But belonging to a fraternity which is such a soft corner, we want to make it very clear that such actions, especially in Arunachal Pradesh, which was never heard, is happening, which is a very sad day in the entire history of Arunachal Pradesh. So we wouldn't want that it should happen again. So that's why we have all assembled here. We could have done bigger things, which again we all decided it's not in the light of doctors. Like for example, closing in non-essential services for a day or two, but then the amount of impact that would have, it's not in the light of us, we as medical fraternities. So this is what we have assembled here for today, a peace protest to show our solidarity and support to one of the most iconic figures in medical fraternity of Arunachal Pradesh. Secondly, to condemn the heinous attack, and thirdly, we want some amendments as I have already talked about, and fourthly, we must request and we will push the government that now this is not under the gambit of TRIMS anymore, and it should be taken in the higher level authorities and solved according to whatever they feel is appropriate. So, if any other faculty wants to add on something, kindly come forward and please pass on your ideas.
Okay, this is Dr. Rinchin, President of TRIMS Faculty Association. Don't harm life. So raise your placards. Yes. आज यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट हो रही है, स्टॉप वायलेंस अगेंस्ट डॉक्टर्स. All the medical students, doctors, faculties, they are gathering here in protest against the attack on our Director Sir's president. Your life matters, so does ours. That's true. And these are our medical students, all gathered here today and protest against the violence and attack by a miscreant on our director's resident.
मैं आप लोग से ये भी दरखास्त करूँगा, जब फ्री टाइम हो सर के वहाँ थोड़ा विजिट कर दीजिए, because the biggest and the worst emotion in life is fear. You see, nobody wants to live in.
So friends, आज यहाँ पे अटैक हमारा जो डायरेक्टर ऑफिस में और डायरेक्टर का जो प्राइवेट रेसिडेंट में जो अटैक हुआ था, उसका अगेंस्ट में यहाँ पे आज ट्रिम्स फैकल्टी एसोसिएशन वो है प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं. ट्रिम्स फैकल्टी एसोसिएशन कंडेम्स वायलेंस एट ट्रिम्स, अटैक ऑन वन, अटैक ऑन ऑल, वी स्टैंड यूनाइटेड, प्रोटेक्ट आवर लीडर, से नो टू मूव, save the savior. Violence in any form will not be tolerated. This is the banner clearly spelled out by the TRIMS Faculty Associations. सिर्फ TRIMS Faculty Associations नहीं है, स्टूडेंट्स जितना भी डॉक्टर्स यहाँ TRIMS में काम कर रहे हैं उन सब का यहाँ पे आज आना पड़ा. हमारे डायरेक्टर सर का जो रेसिडेंट प्राइवेट रेसिडेंट है उसको रात 2 बजे को अटैक किया गया है. इसलिए ये हमारा सिविलाइज सोसाइटी के लिए अच्छी बात नहीं है. इसलिए ये देखो यहाँ पे आज जितना भी हमारा ट्रिम्स का डॉक्टर्स है, स्टूडेंट्स है, सब आया हुआ है, क्योंकि हमारा डायरेक्टर सर जो है उन्होंने जो भी काम किया है अपना पर्सनल के लिए नहीं किया गया है. ये एक लैंड डिस्प्यूट का बात है जो हमारा ट्रिम्स के लिए, जो ट्रिम्स हॉस्पिटल के लिए या ट्रिम्स मेडिकल कॉलेज के लिए और सब पब्लिक के लिए किया गया है. तो उसी का डिस्प्यूट का सिलसिले में अटैक करना कोई वो नहीं है, सॉल्यूशंस नहीं है. अगर कुछ है तो गवर्नमेंट को अच्छा से बात करना चाहिए टेबल में, जब बात करने से सब निकलेगा. इसको इस तरह से अटैक करना हमारा सिविलाइज सोसाइटी के लिए हम टॉलरेट नहीं कर सकता है. हमारा सिविलाइज सोसाइटी के लिए ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. इसलिए आज यहाँ पे हमारा मेडिकल कॉलेज में आज डॉक्टर्स लोग अपना ओपीडी छोड़ के यहाँ आना पड़ा. कोई ओपीडी में काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे आज प्रोटेस्ट करने पे मजबूर कर दिया गया है. तो इसलिए इसी के साथ में आप सभी को मैं दिखाता हूँ कि देखिए हमारा स्टूडेंट्स ऑल आर हियर. सीकिंग सेफ्टी इज़ नॉट ए क्राइम. वी प्रोटेस्ट अटैक्स ऑन डॉक्टर्स, सेव द सेवियर. इस तरह से फ्लैग आप देख सकते हैं. ये डोंट हार्म आवर लाइफ, सेव द सेवियर्स हु विल सेव you now. Stop violence against doctors. Hands that heal should not be bleed. That's true. तो इस तरह से देखिए आप, ये हमारा बच्चे लोग हैं जो MBBS पढ़ रहे हैं, उनका अपना दर्द है कि आप डायरेक्टर सर को अटैक करना ये बहुत अच्छा चीज़ नहीं है. ये देखिए इस तरह से सब आया हुआ है, सब फैकल्टीज आज का. That's for today. आप लोग भी अपना प्रोटेस्ट जारी रखिए, क्योंकि इस तरह से हमारा सिविलाइज सोसाइटी में हमारा वायलेंस का कोई रोल नहीं है. पीस टॉक ऑन टेबल इज़ द कॉल. दैट्स फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.